Hi students, Cupid was given out yesterday and by the late great Sam Cooke. And like some of our other pieces, the strum is I called it a shuffle strum. It's down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And if you notice these arrangements, the dots equal a beat. So the intro is 1-4-4 measure. So it would be 4 beats of C like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up. And then the A minor, 4 beats. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Just like that. And the whole song will be played that way. If you look at the chords, we have C, A minor, which I just played, and then F, and G7th. G7th looks like an inverted G with the first finger here on the first fret of the E string, and then your second and third fingers kind of come down astride. Okay, and let's take a look at the chart. Take it in a slow tempo. That's 66 beats per minute. 1, 2, with the intro with me. Notice there was just 2 beats on the C and then 2 beats on the G. So, and this you can 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, have fun with that, students. It's a fun song.